Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip6 and give you my first impressions. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the Galaxy Z Flip6 and give it a shot again this year. Yes, I still have my Z Flip5, which I'm trading in for the Z Flip6. This phone, I really do enjoy it. It's compact, but opens up to a nice size. The only thing I didn't like was the shiny back on here. I mean, it's definitely shiny, but I wanted to pick up the Z Flip6 and try it out, give it, you know, my review, give it to my subscribers and see what we can come up with. Now, it will go great with the blue, kind of matches another team I know. So this one is the yellow one. I decided to pick it up just to try it out. I got it from T-Mobile. They gave me a good deal on the Flip 5, so we're going to try it out and see what it looks like. In this video, I'm going to just do a quick unboxing, give y'all my first impressions of it. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I will try to make it, and we can definitely, you know, learn about it together. Probably do a camera test, do a camera comparison, you know, 48 hours later, something like that. But let's get into it. Nice presentation. Again, we know what it is. It's just a plain, simple box. You don't get much in there. But let's, oh. I don't know how this is going to look. That sides are more like gold. It's very similar to the same color of my S24 Ultra, but this one is more yellow though. This one is more gold. That one's more yellow. Bam. It already feels lighter though, too, than this one. I don't know. Let's take this off. Does it have power? It should. There you go. Take that off too. They still have that big, oh, that hinge feels nice. Look, you can see the hinge. Oh, you barely can feel it. Hold on, let's see. This is why I like having the old tech. So, I mean, y'all can't feel it, but there is a big difference in the hinge. Now, will it stay that way? Because there's a dip right here. You can see it. At least I can see it. I don't know if it's coming out on the camera, but on this one, it's not as big. And it's not as noticeable even when you put your fingers across it. So, we will see. But let's go over it. Let's give you the specs. But look, it's more boxy too. I mean, that's a great combination right there. But let's see what else you get in the... Stop. I don't want to. Stop talking to me. So, let's see what else you get in the box really quick. You get your books, the SIM card slot, and then you have your books and the cable down here. The wire charging. They still only doing like 25 watt of fast charging. I don't know why they won't speed that up more, but it is Samsung, so it is what it is. Let's put this up here. Man, look, I love the size. Again, it's matte. The big difference too is I love that matte finish on the back. But you have the cameras up there. It has a 50 megapixel main shooter with a 12 megapixel ultra wide. That front camera is a 10 megapixel selfie camera. But the camera should be good. We'll definitely try them out. The main display here is a 6.7 inch. It's a 1080p by 2640 resolution. It is LTPO AMOLED panel. I mean, Samsung makes some of the great panels. We don't have to tell y'all. You already know that. 120 hertz refresh rate. The outside panel or the external panel is a 3.4 inch panel here. Super AMOLED is 720 by 748 resolution. It has 1600 nits of brightness. The inside does have 2600 nits of brightness, so it's a little bit brighter than the main display or the cover display here. You have your power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner, volume rockers. You have your microphones, charging port, speaker there. You have your SIM card slot there. You also have a microphone up by the earpiece there. Bam. It has the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor on here, Android 14.0. It comes in 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage. Also 12 gigs of RAM on here. So the normal things you expect for a Samsung device, it has. It really does. I love this color, man. Y'all let me know. What color did you pick this up? What color did you get? Y'all let me know in the comments. What I'm going to do now is pause the video. I want to go use it for a little bit, give y'all my impressions of it. I'm going to set up I have a different line for this number. So I'm going to go do all that on the background and come back and just give you my impressions of it. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I've set it up. I've been using it for a few hours now. And I just want to go over my experiences with it so far and give you my first impressions or initial impressions of this beautiful device. The first thing I noticed about it was just the overall build. I don't know what they did differently from the Flip 5, but I think this is a little bit thicker and it just looks better, feels better in the hands, a little more boxier, you can say. It just feels different. I don't know if it's heavier or lighter. I think it's a little bit lighter too, but it just feels premium. Also, the back makes a big, look how much fingerprints compared to this one here. I love when they have that, you know, matte finish on the back. Looks definitely better. Even the camera cutouts with that yellow accent, it just feels better in the hands, y'all. I don't know what it is, but definitely love the feel of this device. Now, they could have did a little bit more with the front display, and let me go over that too. So with the front display, you do have your little widgets here. You can go back and forth. You can change them in the settings if you go to cover screen. But the main thing is, you can do apps, but if you don't download Good Lock, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a different video, you can only do YouTube, Messages, and Maps. If you download Good Lock, you can do FedEx, Outlook, HEB, Chrome, Facebook too. There's so many different apps you can download. I can download more or put more on this launcher here and have different apps. So I wish they would have did a little bit more, but you do have your same little flips here. You can change it, download different ones if you wanted to. But I do like the yellow, just kind of matches the phone. The overall software is, it's just snappy. It looks great. The screen is beautiful. The main thing with the Flip, what's attractive is that you have a smaller footprint. And now with the bigger screen in the front, that 3.4 inch, you can do a lot more with the screen being closed and having to open it up, which is a game changer. It was a game changer on the Flip 5, game changer on the 6 too. If you have the 5, should you upgrade? Right now, it's way too early to answer that question because I only had this for a couple hours now. But, you know, it's just up to you. But we will answer that question in other videos. I'm enjoying it. Call quality was good. The camera seemed good. I think it has like the same cameras as the regular S24. Not the Ultra, but just the regular S24 in there. Definitely going to test them out. Maybe even put them up against the Flip 5 here. But I do love how you just have a bigger screen. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the hinge is definitely different too. You can see, look, bam. When you compare it to this one, again, the shape and design is pretty much the same there. But I just love how this is even matte, not as shiny. Just feels better in the hands, lady. Pause. Okay, y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. Maybe like a gaming review. I have some cases for this phone, screen protectors. I will definitely be doing that. Stay tuned. I'm probably come back in like 48 hours and give y'all more of like a initial review on this device. But so far, I am definitely digging it. I'm not gonna miss the Flip 5 at all, but I mean, this one could replace it. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Flip 6 and also the Fold 6. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.